What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Tris. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna give y'all a tutorial on how to start freeform dreads or dreads in general. I'm not gonna lie, I've been growing out my freeforms or dreads, whatever the fuck you want to call them. I call them dreads really because they're not even really freeforms no more. I be getting retwists like, oh, I haven't got a retwist in a long time. I'm capping, but yeah, they really dreads now. So, but I started them off as freeform, so that's why I be saying like freeforms are like dreads and shit. So boom. But anyways, I've been growing up my freeform for like two-ish years, 2 years. And at first I started off with like a flat top, but then I had to grow up my sides because I didn't want that shit no more. I didn't want the sky top and shit. I had to grow up my sides. I don't know if y'all could tell. Hold on, let me see. Like, I don't know if y'all can see the difference in length. Hold on, let me see. Let me compare fuck. These are what my sides look like. I started growing these out like I say a year ago. Not even a year ago, probably like 7-8 months. And then this is 2 years of growth, 2 years of growth. It go to like my chin, and this is about 8 months of growth. So boom, yeah, that's how long I've been growing on my hair. But before we get into the tutorial, make sure y'all like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. If y'all want more tutorials on like how to get freeforms and shit, let me know down in the comments below. And if this was helpful, also let me know down in the comments below. Make sure y'all follow my socials. But enough yapping, let's get straight into the video. All right, so boom. You're gonna need a couple things before you want to start your freeforms. First, get yourself a towel. You want to get a towel. Make sure you get some rubber bands, because you'll need to do this when you finish. You're gonna need to put the rubber bands in when you finish. Make sure you get yourself a brush, any type of brush, soft brush. Actually, soft brush. And get yourself some water. The reason why my water look like this, it's not dirty. I put some what's it called? I put leave-in conditioner. I put leave-in conditioner in the water. You can do that if you want to, but it's optional. Regular water still works. Step one, what you want to do is, I recommend wetting your hair first. Wet your hair, so that's why we got the water for. So first thing, you know what I'm saying, just make sure don't soak your shit though. Don't soak your shit, because it's not gonna fuck your shit up, but it's not good to soak your shit. Just make sure every spot on your hair is wet. I don't really do this, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really do this no more, because my shit like locked, all my shit locked and shit. I don't really need to. I just need my hair to grow, but you know what I'm saying? It's still good to do. Once you're done wetting your hair, what you want to do is you want to get your towel, and you want to, you know what I'm saying, like I say probably like fold it like once. Fold it once. Fold your towel once. And you just want to put your hand like this, and you just want to, you know what I'm saying, just like I said before, you could do this if you just now started or if you already got freeforms. Alright, boom. Once you're done with the towel, or whatever, once you're done with the towel, you want to get your brush, and you want to brush your hair. Not too many people, I'm not gonna lie, not too many people brush their dreads, which is one reason why their dreads be falling out. Brush your dreads, it's gonna make your dreads fuzzy. It's gonna make it like look better all around. So make sure you brush your dreads and shit. I'm telling you, bro, you do this method, bro. You do this method like at least 2 times a week, once a week, 2 times a week. Your shit gonna be tough. And make sure when you start your freeforms, I'm not gonna lie, you're not gonna be able to wash your hair for like 3 months. I'm not gonna lie, you're not gonna be able to wash your hair for like 2-3 months. If you do wash your hair, it's just gonna restart the process unless you get your shit interlocked or get your shit locked, like insta lock. I say interlock. All right, boom. So now you done brushing your shit. Now what you want to do is you want to get your rubber bands. Now a tip about the rubber bands is the you want to use more rubber bands the shorter your hair is. So if your shit like this short, chill on my shit, my forehead and shit. But if your shit like this short, you probably want to use like 8. I say 8 to 12 rubber bands in your head. But if you got like long shit, like no homo pause, if you got long dreads, use like 4. Use 4 is a good number. I can low key use 2, but I'm gonna use 4 just for the sake of the video. Fuck. I almost forgot one step. Hold on. I forgot to tell y'all. Make sure I use a pick. I'm not gonna use a pick because I don't want my shit to be like afro. But if you want that afro look, make sure you use a pick. Alright, I forgot to say that. My fault. But yeah. I just broke one of the rubber bands, I'm not gonna lie. Make sure you get an even amount. You don't want your shit looking retarded. You don't want to go like this much, and only have a little bit on the what's it called, the side, the left side or the right side. So make sure you do even, split. I recommend, another thing I recommend too is make sure you get a part. Make sure you get a part when you get freeforms, because if you ever want to get a retwist, your shit is gonna be hard for you to get a part and shit. Your shit gonna look fucked up. That's what happened to me. So my part like kind of crooked and fucked up. But yeah, make sure you get a part. That's one. My shit look tough. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so now I'm done putting the rubber bands on my head. My shit do kind of look crooked. A little bit. It really don't even fucking matter, to be honest. It's not like you're gonna be wearing this shit to school or anything. You mainly put the rubber bands in for when you're going to sleep. This shit uncomfortable as hell. But a tip to do when you sleeping with rubber bands in your hair, just when you sleeping, make sure you like pat your shit down like this and then lay down. Cause you know what I'm saying. This shit be uncomfortable as fuck. But yeah, you can put some oil in your hair if you want. Oil in your scalp. Oil your scalp is gonna, that shit gonna it's gonna help it grow and shit. But yeah, that's really it for the video. You know what I'm saying? If I did enjoy the video, like I said before, make sure I like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. We got more videos uploading, more videos coming. So you know what I'm saying? Make sure I stay tuned. And we finna hit 500 subscribers, so make sure I subscribe, like I said. And yeah, it's your boy Trish. You know what I'm saying? And we out.